Did you know your body might be trying to tell you something crucial about your pancreas?
Many people overlook subtle symptoms that can indicate serious pancreatic issues.
Recognizing these early signs is vital for preventing severe health problems and ensuring timely treatment. Today, we'll uncover 5 warning signs of pancreatic disease you must not ignore and 5 powerful foods that can help heal your pancreas. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to spot potential issues early and take proactive steps towards better pancreatic health. Did you know that pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest forms of cancer, with a 5-year survival rate of just 10%? Hi, I'm Pete, and welcome to Healthy Cure Channel, where we prioritize your health and wellness. With years of experience in health education, I'm here to provide you with valuable insights and practical advice to help you live a healthier life.
Symptom 1. Jaundice.
Jaundice is a condition where your skin and the whites of your eyes turn yellow. This happens because of an excess of bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced by the liver. Jaundice can be a sign of pancreatic issues because a tumor in the pancreas can block the bile duct, leading to a buildup of bilirubin in the body. For instance, in a documented case, a patient noticed their eyes turning yellow and was later diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. Early detection through such symptoms can be life-saving.
Symptom 2. Unexplained weight loss.
Sudden, unexplained weight loss can be alarming and is often a sign of an underlying health issue. In the context of pancreatic health, weight loss can occur because the pancreas is not producing enough enzymes to help with digestion,
leading to poor nutrient absorption.
For example, a friend of mine lost a significant amount of weight rapidly and, after some tests, discovered it was due to pancreatic insufficiency. This highlights the importance of paying attention to drastic changes in your body weight.
Symptom 3. Abdominal pain.
Abdominal pain related to pancreatic issues is often felt in the upper abdomen and can radiate to the back. It may start as mild discomfort but can become more severe over time. This pain occurs because the pancreas is located deep in the abdomen, and inflammation or tumors can press on surrounding organs. I remember reading about a marathon runner who experienced persistent abdominal pain, initially dismissing it as muscle strain, only to find out it was due to a pancreatic tumor.
Symptom 4. Digestive issues.
Digestive issues such as bloating, greasy stools, and frequent indigestion can signal pancreatic problems. The pancreas plays a crucial role in digestion by producing enzymes that help break down food. When the pancreas isn't functioning properly, these symptoms can occur. Visuals of the digestive system can help illustrate how a malfunctioning pancreas disrupts digestion. For instance, greasy stools, which float and are hard to flush, indicate that fat is not being properly digested.
Symptom 5. Changes in blood sugar levels.
The pancreas also regulates blood sugar by producing insulin. When the pancreas is compromised, it can lead to fluctuating blood sugar levels, causing symptoms like frequent urination and extreme thirst. This is particularly important for people with diabetes, as these changes can signal worsening pancreatic health.
Monitoring blood sugar levels is crucial.
For example, someone with no prior history of diabetes who suddenly experiences these symptoms should see a doctor to check their pancreatic function. Just as your body can signal when something is wrong with your pancreas, it can also respond positively to the right nutritional support. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can play a significant role in maintaining pancreatic health and even aiding in its healing process. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful foods that can help support your pancreas, ensuring it functions optimally. Let's dive in and discover how you can easily include these superfoods in your daily meals.
Food 1. Spinach.
Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and have specific benefits for your pancreas. Spinach supports pancreatic health by reducing inflammation and providing antioxidants that protect pancreatic cells from damage. Incorporating spinach into your diet is simple. Add fresh spinach leaves to your salads. Blend them into smoothies or sauté them as a delicious side dish.
Food 2. Blueberries.
Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. These antioxidants are crucial in reducing inflammation, a key factor in many pancreatic issues.
Blueberries can be enjoyed in various ways. Toss them into your morning cereal or yogurt.
Blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a quick and healthy snack on their own. Try this easy recipe. Mix blueberries with a bit of honey and Greek yogurt for a tasty and nutritious treat.
Food 3. Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, particularly vitamins A and C, which are beneficial for your pancreas. Their high fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the strain on your pancreas. To incorporate sweet potatoes into your diet, you can bake them as a side dish, mash them for a creamy and nutritious option,
or make a delicious sweet potato soup.
A favorite recipe is roasted sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of olive oil.
Food 4. Turmeric.
Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, largely due to its active compound, curcumin. This spice can significantly impact pancreatic health by reducing inflammation and supporting the repair of pancreatic tissue. Adding turmeric to your meals is easy. Sprinkle it into soups, stews, and rice dishes, or add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie. For a comforting drink, try making golden milk by mixing turmeric with warm milk and honey.
Food 5. Probiotic-rich foods.
Probiotic-rich foods, such as yogurt and kefir, are excellent for digestion and overall gut health. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for the proper functioning of the pancreas. A healthy gut can improve digestion and reduce the burden on your pancreas. When choosing probiotic foods, look for those with live and active cultures. Enjoy a bowl of yogurt with fresh fruit or add kefir to your smoothie for a probiotic boost. Today, we covered 5 critical symptoms of pancreatic disease you shouldn't ignore: jaundice, unexplained weight loss, abdominal pain, digestive issues, and changes in blood sugar levels.
We also explored 5 powerful foods that can help heal your pancreas:
spinach, blueberries, sweet potatoes, turmeric, and probiotic-rich foods. It's essential to pay attention to your body's signals and consult a healthcare professional if you notice any of these symptoms. And don't forget to check out my #1 natural supplement for healthy living in the description below. Start incorporating these healing foods into your diet to support your pancreatic health. Have you experienced any of these symptoms? What are your favorite healing foods? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore natural remedies for digestive health.
You won't want to miss it.